जिल्हा पंचायत पोटनिवडणुकेचो निकाल सोमारा जालो. कलंगूटच्यान भाजपाचो दत्तप्रसाद दाबोळकर जाल्यार नुव्या काँग्रेसीचो रुबेन कोस्ता जैत प्राप्त जाला आनी कुडतरी मारिनो रुबेलोक जैत मेळ्ळा. आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
पीपल ऑफ माय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी कलंगूट कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी तेंच्यांनी म्हाजेर विश्वास दवरलो, फेथ दवरलो आनी बहुमतांनी निवडून हाडलो बाय ह्यूज मार्जिन. पीपल ऑफ कलंगूट, कांदोलीम, आरपोरा, नागवा, they have come out in numbers and they have supported me. I pledge my support to them and vow to work towards the prosperity of my constituency. On the manifesto, as per Zilla Panchayat funds, I need to take up some play school playground zones. I will do this job in association with the concerned village panchayat and along with the help of my MLA, Mr. Michael Lobo.
Should do work differently. कित्याक सेम पंचायत मेंबर करता, सरपंच करता, म्युनिसिपॅलिटीचे आमचे मेंबर्स करता, सेम वर्क MLA करता. मातशें सेम वर्क जावंक पारना. सगळे नाल्यार गटरूच बांदूंक उत्तले. गटरा भायर चिंती आमी आतां. सो I feel that what we have done in Arpara Nagwa and Kandolim, that is children's park आणि park for elders, तसले म्हाका दिसता गोंयभर जावपाक जाय. रिक्रिएशनल नाल्यार आसचेच ना. रिक्रिएशनल फॅसिलिटीज जाय. तितून फर्स्ट ही लायब्ररी आमी कलंगूट घालता शिक्षणान. ती आमी जिल्ल्याचे मार्फत घालतले. सम फंड फ्रॉम जिल्ला. ही लायब्ररी जागो आयडेंटिफाय केलो. Within the next 3 months, we will complete the e-library in Kalangut. That will be the first e-library which will give you online news from 9 to 6. Tinga येवन लोकांनी बसून सगळे टोटल बुक्स जावं ते हिस्ट्रीचे बुक्स जावं ते सायन्साचे बुक्स, एड्युकेशनाचे बुक्स सगळे अंडर वन रूफ. त्या खातीर आमी एक we have identified a person who has knowledge on this and he will do all these things.
First of all, I want to thank the Almighty God for this victory. Honorable MLA of Noe, Shri Wilfred Disa, who has strongly supported me. All the sarpanches of Noe, Verna, Nagwa, all the Panch members, all the voters of Noe, Verna, Nagwa villages for having faith in me and electing me as a ZP member. I will work for the development of all these 3 villages, Noe, Verna, Nagwa, with all schemes with the help of the Honorable MLA, Shri Wilfred Disa, and in cooperation with all the panchayats. I will also try to work for asking more powers for the ZP members who have already been after this for a long time. I will also join the group.
आज आमगेली नुवें बाय इलेक्शन जाली आनी हे दोन वर्सां भितर 4 इलेक्शन जाली आनी हे 4 इलेक्शन म्हळ्यार लोक मातशे भायर सरपा उणी जालो. हांव दिला रावल तेदोणा आमकां 10,000 म्हाका वोट जाल्ली आनी आतां 7,500 म्हळ्यार लोकांन एक आपल्या गेले ट्रेंड दवरले सदांच लीड दिवपाक. जावं नुवें, वेर्ना, नागवा हे तिनी विलेजीन हांव सदां लीड घेयत येयलां. तेंच्या लोकांन सांबाळ्ळां आनी आजूय आमकां तिनी विलेजीन लीड मेळ्ळा. नुवेंय लीड मेळ्ळी, वेर्नाय मेळ्ळी. तेगेली विलेज ती वेर्ना आमगे ऑपोजिशन आली थिंगाय आमकां लीड मेळ्ळी आनी नागवाय लीड मेळ्ळी.
No, we have what lead in Gurtari also, no? Whatever it is. See, I'll again I will tell you, I am not a guy who likes to point fingers at others. But my own people who are with me, we are always saying we have to spend more money. So I always said, why should we spend money? It's a 2.5-year term. Why we need to spend money? If people want a good person, a honest person, a educated person, they should vote for us. And that's exactly what has happened. We are not here to show ego by spending a lot of money and getting funds from other parties. We are not doing all those things. We have fought an election on a very straight and clean terms. And I congratulate the electorate who have voted for me. Because we have not bought any purchase vote. We have not purchased anybody's vote. Thank you. Thank you. Michael, थोड़ा सा